Ever pondered over the possibility of a Planet of the Apes scenario becoming a reality? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? A world where our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, the apes, evolve to a level of intelligence that rivals our own and then proceed to take over the world. A thrilling narrative indeed, but how much of it is grounded in reality? Let's delve into the crux of the matter. At the heart of this imaginative scenario is the theory of evolution. Now, it's true that humans and apes share a common ancestor, a fact that's well established in the scientific community. We are, after all, branches of the same evolutionary tree. But here's where things take a turn towards the realm of fiction. For apes to evolve to match human intelligence, it would take more than just time. It would require significant genetic changes that would fundamentally alter their very nature. And this, my friends, is where the science takes a back seat. The process of evolution is gradual and complex. It's not simply a matter of one species deciding to catch up to another. Each species evolves in its own unique way, driven by a myriad of factors, from environmental pressures to genetic mutations. The notion that apes might one day evolve to match human intelligence, while certainly an intriguing idea, is not supported by scientific evidence. Moreover, the Planet of the Apes narrative also assumes something quite profound, that apes would have the desire and the capability to dominate humans. But the social dynamics and motivations of apes are quite different from ours. They are complex creatures with their own unique forms of intelligence and social structures, but their goals and desires are not the same as ours. So it seems the scientific reality of ape evolution is quite distinct from the movie's portrayal. The Planet of the Apes scenario, while captivating and thought-provoking, remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. But what if apes did have the intelligence of humans? Would they then seek to dominate us? That's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? To answer that, let's delve into the social structure and behavior of apes. Apes, such as gorillas, orangutans, bonobos, and chimpanzees, are highly intelligent animals, exhibiting complex social behaviors. They live in communities often led by a dominant male and have intricate social hierarchies. These societies are marked by strong bonds, characterized by grooming, sharing, and even conflict resolution. However, the motivations and goals of apes are fundamentally different from humans. Their primary concerns revolve around survival and reproduction rather than power or domination. While there are instances of aggression within ape communities, these are usually related to competition for resources or mates, rather than a desire for control or supremacy. Moreover, the concept of apes seeking to dominate humans assumes that apes perceive humans as a threat or a competitor. This is a human-centric viewpoint. In reality, apes typically avoid humans unless threatened or provoked. There is no evidence to suggest that apes harbor any inherent desire to dominate or control other species. In addition, if apes did evolve to have human-level intelligence, it's not guaranteed that they would develop human-like social structures or motivations. Evolution doesn't follow a predetermined path. Each species evolves in its unique way, adapting to its specific environment and circumstances. Hence, even with advanced intelligence, apes might still retain their existing social structures and behaviors which are well suited to their lifestyle and environment. Finally, even if apes did somehow develop a desire to dominate humans, they would face significant challenges. Humans are technologically advanced, with sophisticated weapons and infrastructure. Overcoming such advantages would not be a simple task. Therefore, the movie's premise of apes dominating humans seems to be more of a cinematic imagination than a plausible reality. The fascinating world of apes is complex and intriguing, but it's a far cry from the dystopian vision presented in the Planet of the Apes. Despite the unlikelihood, why does the idea of a Planet of the Apes scenario intrigue us? Well, it's quite simple, really. It's the themes of the movie that resonate with us. The film explores the concept of intelligence, a trait we humans pride ourselves on. We've always been fascinated by the thought of other species possessing human-like intelligence. It challenges our notions of superiority and forces us to question what it truly means to be intelligent. Does intelligence lie solely in problem-solving, or does it also encompass empathy, compassion, and the ability to live harmoniously with nature? The apes in the movie may not have our technological prowess, but their social cohesion and respect for the environment are admirable traits. The movie also delves into power dynamics, a theme that's as old as time itself. It's a reversal of roles, with apes dominating humans, that forces us to confront our own history of supremacy and subjugation. It's a stark reminder of how power can corrupt and how the oppressed can become the oppressor. Lastly, the film explores the relationship between humans and other species. It's a sobering thought to imagine a world where we are not the dominant species. It compels us to reflect on how we treat other creatures and the environment. Are we good stewards of the planet we inhabit, or are we exploiting it for our own gain? While the Planet of the Apes scenario may not be scientifically plausible, it does raise these fascinating philosophical questions. It's a thought experiment that invites us to look inward and question our values, our actions, and our place in the world. So while a Planet of the Apes scenario remains firmly in the realm of fiction, it does stir thought-provoking reflections on our own species. Intrigued by the intelligence and behavior of apes? Well, there's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting to be uncovered. If the premise of Planet of the Apes has sparked your curiosity, why not delve deeper into the world of apes and their fascinating behaviors? One outstanding resource is the documentary Jane. This film provides an intimate look at the life and work of Jane Goodall, a pioneering primatologist known for her groundbreaking research on chimpanzees. It's an inspiring journey that offers a profound understanding of our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. The film beautifully illustrates Goodall's dedication and passion, as well as the intriguing social structure and intelligence of chimpanzees. For those who prefer a good read, there are numerous books that explore the behavior and intelligence of apes. The Ape and the Sushi Master, by Frans de Waal, a renowned primatologist, provides fascinating insights into the culture among apes. It's an enlightening read that challenges our perception of what it means to be human. If you're interested in the evolutionary aspect, The Third Chimpanzee by Jared Diamond is a remarkable exploration of the genetic similarities between humans and apes. The book delves into how slight genetic differences have led to significant changes in intelligence and social structure. Remember, while the Planet of the Apes is an intriguing concept, it's important to differentiate between science fiction and reality. By immersing yourself in the study of apes, you'll gain a deeper understanding of these incredible creatures and the unique bond we share with them. So why not dive in? Expand your knowledge, challenge your perceptions, and form your own opinions. The world of apes is a rich tapestry of complexity and intrigue waiting for you to explore. As we dive deeper into understanding our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, who knows what fascinating insights we might unearth. So, could a Planet of the Apes scenario truly become a reality? We've delved into this captivating question today, exploring the realms where fact meets fiction. We've journeyed through the concept of apes gaining human-like intelligence, a notion rooted in the theory of evolution, which suggests species gradually evolve over time. Yet, we've learned that the chances of apes evolving to match human intelligence would require significant genetic changes over a long period, something not currently supported by scientific evidence. We've also examined the social structure of apes, a complex and fascinating aspect of their lives. While they certainly exhibit intelligence and intricate social behaviors, their motivations and goals are distinct from those of humans. The assumption that apes might desire to dominate humans, as depicted in the movie, is more a flight of fancy than a probable reality. Remember, the Planet of the Apes movie is an imaginative and entertaining piece of fiction that has certainly left an enduring mark on pop culture. It's a fascinating exploration of what-if scenarios, raising curious questions about the relationship between humans and apes. However, the likelihood of such a scenario actually materializing is extremely low. For those of you intrigued by this topic, there are numerous documentaries and books available that delve deeper into the behavior and intelligence of apes. For instance, the documentary Jane, which chronicles the life and groundbreaking research of renowned primatologist Jane Goodall, could make for an enlightening watch. While the Planet of the Apes may remain a concept confined to the silver screen, it serves as a reminder of the captivating world of possibilities that science fiction presents. It stirs our imagination, pushing the boundaries of our thoughts and beliefs. In the end, the Planet of the Apes remains an intriguing concept that stirs our imagination, reminding us of the fascinating world of possibilities that science fiction presents.